Everyone can agree that a sphere is a curved object at every point, and that the term level has its own strict, logical set of implications, in that there is no alteration in a line going forward, either up or down, between 2 points. A taut piece of string or cross-continental railway line might be thought of as straight, therefore. The two objects, sphere and plane, cannot coexist. The globe as presented is not large, small fry indeed in their heliosystem. The size of the continents, which can be driven across in weeks and months, reinforces this and the rules of geometry. According to the circumference of Earth being 40,000 kilometers, that's 6,667 feet, 1.26 miles of curvature per 100 miles. Factoring in now sacred geometry, balance in the cosmos, the fact that water chemically in its structure always finds a level and is seen to sit motionless in calm conditions, innumerable other observations. There is also a lack of reference to flying or otherwise orbs pre-Renaissance, then a lot in sculpture and art. The sun and moon are referred to as sometimes discs, lights, or anthropomorphized. Twentieth century academia veered the subject matter to theoretical and behind closed doors, preferably within the university walls. The scientism of the globe or space is never used in engineering or the practical activities of armies and navies. Knowing there is no curve, the aforementioned and companies like SpaceX can surveil and provide internet and other signals for huge swathes of land using high-altitude satelloons, furtively sent up from bases in Antarctica and other inaccessible spots. Kilimanjaro, 4 climate zones on one mountain, rises majestically above and beyond the Serengeti Plain. On a globe, the base would be obscured behind at least 1 mile of curvature, since these views are from over 100 miles away. As if in anticipation, the algorithm AI search starts talking about Earth curvature in the context of the Serengeti relative to Mount Kilimanjaro. It is programmed on standardized lies, so is very fallible, but useful for specific data. Below, Chinese modern engineering demonstrates the need for complete stillness and levelness between 2 points. Right, the Anglo-Saxon Cotton World Map, 1040 AD, kept under lock and key by the British Library, emphasizes the size and shape of the more familiar lands, UK and Europe. Next, the Hereford Mappa Mundi, 1300 AD, with the word Jerusalem at centre. On both, east is shown top to denote a coordinate, direction around the disk in either left or right, rather than a point to travel towards as south and north.